Hello Paddocks Press readers. Over the next few weeks, we will be discussing various prescribed forms in community scheme management. We will be taking a look at each form individually, highlighting what they are for, when and how they should be filled in, and to whom it should be submitted once completed. The first of these forms, which we will be taking a closer look at in this video, is Form A, which can be found in the regulations to the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act of 2011. This form should be used when the body corporate notifies certain institutions that its service address has changed. According to Section 310 of the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act, one of the functions of the body corporate is to notify the Chief Ombud, the local municipality concerned, and the Registrar of Deeds of its domicilium citandi et executandi, which is the Latin phrase for the address one elects for the purpose of receiving all legal notices and processes. Many bodies corporate still have the determination of its domicilium as an item on its agenda for the annual general meeting, as this used to be a requirement under the old Act. However, this is no longer required in terms of the new Act. Under Prescribed Management Rule 4.1, the body corporate must simply determine the address that is its domicilium citandi et executandi in terms of Section 310 of the Act from time to time, provided that such service address must be the physical address of a section in the scheme, the physical address of a duly appointed managing agent or administrator, or another physical address within the district in which the scheme is located. If a body corporate has a managing agent, that managing agent's physical address is most often elected as the domicilium. Therefore, when such body corporate moves from one managing agent to another, it has to complete Form A and send it to the relevant parties as soon as reasonably possible. Let's take a closer look at this prescribed form. At the very top of the page, the person completing the form has to fill in the scheme details, including the name of the scheme's SS number, and the local municipality under which the scheme falls. The next section requires completion of the name of the local municipality and the place where the relevant Registrar of Deeds is located. For example, a scheme in Vredehoek will fill in City of Cape Town as their local municipality and Cape Town as their relevant Registrar of Deeds. The next section requires the filling in of the body corporate's address details, for example, that of its newly appointed managing agent, whose offices could, for example, be situated at 1 Main Street, Cape Town, 8000. The effective date of the address change then needs to be filled in by the Community Schemes Ombud Service. As a representative of the body corporate, you would therefore leave these blocks blank. The next section of the form states that the form is to be signed by 2 trustees and any managing agent. This sentence has been the topic of many a conversation here at the office. Surely a scheme without a managing agent cannot simply have their form signed by any managing agent, as this wording suggests. And schemes with managing agents should surely have their own managing agent sign it, rather than just any managing agent. Be that as it may, the form requires that 2 trustees and any managing agent fill in their names, capacity, for example trustee or managing agent, signature, and date on which they sign the form. The last part of the form, being the confirmation of lodgement of the notification, is left blank, as it has to be filled in by the Community Schemes Ombud Service. I trust that you have found this video helpful. Until next time, goodbye.